Hi everyone, Espeon here. Today's going to be a sort of an introduction on speedburring. Now, speedburring, I've been doing this for you would have seen my earlier video which was made for fun. I kind of went away with that and I kind of just kept doing it, and I'm actually finding it very, very fun. Now, speedburring, basically assembling or solving Burr puzzles as quickly as possible, and that is putting pieces in, or putting pieces together in the notches and all that as quickly as possible. Basically solving Burr puzzles for speed. It's a lot different to, to speed cubing. You mix it up, start the timer, and solve it, place it down, and then stop the timer. This is the same similar thing. So you disassemble it, place all the pieces down, put the pieces to one side, start the timer, assemble it, and stop the timer, and you have your completed Burr puzzle. Now there's also bigger versions of this puzzle. There's a Papa Chuck, which is 54 pieces, which is the next stage up from this one. I will be doing a video on that as well. But this is just I'm going to be demonstrating with the normal Chuck puzzle. So basically this method I'm going to be doing, which is it's going to get in pieces faster. Instead of putting single pieces in at a time, we're going to put multiple pieces in at a time and slide them together and create pieces or groups of pieces that are together which are faster. So you don't have to worry about doing one piece at a time, placing one piece and then sliding it, another piece and sliding it, and then another piece and sliding it. And most of the time the puzzle is going to be on the table, and you're going to put the pieces in and then stop it, and then once it's done, you place it down and stop the timer, and it's a lot faster. And I've been getting my times down to at least sub 2 or under 2 minutes. Now basically the Chuck puzzles, or the Burr puzzles, they're not that great. This one's still a bit stiff, but the more you sort of disassemble it and assemble it, the more it gets looser. You can also try and sand down the pieces as well, which I might be doing to make this a lot better. I'll be able to get my times a lot faster, but this is going to be probably a bit stiff for a while until I sort of break it in, try and get it to slide better and to sort of get the pieces in a lot faster. But so we're now dismantling it. Now, like I said, the puzzle's pretty easy to, once you get the sort of gist of how the pieces go together. It's technically the same thing all the way around. There's just two key pieces that are used to bring in the last two pieces that can get those pieces in. There's two pieces. There's these pieces with this length, these pieces with this length, and two of the key pieces, which are these ones here. So the way we're going to go about this is, the first step, you want to get the first sort of assembly, which is two long pieces and 6 small pieces, or one of these pieces. So what we're going to do is, I normally put it to one side. I grab 2 of these small pieces here, grab 2 of the small pieces, place them down like that. Now grab 2 long pieces, put them on top. So it's just the more you practice, the more you can get it accurate. But you get 2 of these pieces now, and you place them on top. And now you've got this sort of 2x2 block right here. 2 of these small pieces, put them on the side like that. Now grab the 2x2 block and split it in half and lift. You want to lift up. So you want to lift up and split the 2x2 block apart, and you want to insert those with those slots there, and now you've made the starting piece here. Then you grab 2 long pieces here. You want to hold them like this, and then basically just push them in. So now, as you can see, that's in. Grab just 1 long piece and place it on top. So you got that. Grab 2 of these. Now you want to turn it 90 degrees. place these like that. Slide them on like that on there. And then turn it 180 like that. Grab another long piece, place it on top, and make sure when you put it on top it's in the middle. So make sure it doesn't have to be exact, but it just makes it balance better. 2 of these pieces, place it on top of there. Now turn it 90, grab a key piece, put your finger on one side, so 2 fingers here, and then push the whole puzzle up. Grab the key piece and slide it in like that, and then push up. Push the bottom up there like that, and then you've got that in. Now you want to flatten it here, and you want this vertical, and then push these in here. Grab another small piece, put it on top, push 180, 2 of these, put it on top. Now another key piece, 2 of these, push, slide this in. This is quite a tight one, I don't know why. And then push. There we go. So then it's done. So that's so the method I do with this, and you can actually get pretty fast times on it. So now I'm going to show us a speed assembly of this puzzle.